Hi friends, today in this video we are going to create a multi-vendor food ordering website. As you can see, this is the website which we are created, and this is a free theme which we are used on this website. For this website you can get it on the WordPress theme directory itself, so it's a free theme. And you can see a delivery restaurant section in our website, and a lot of a lot of vendors restaurants you can add, and it's a multi-vendor website, and a food menu section is available on our website. So once a customer visit our website, they can choose the restaurant, and like this they can choose the restaurant, and they can see the store categories and the details about the restaurant on the restaurant page itself, and all the products which are selling on the restaurant they can see here. Once a customer is going to add a product, they can see the product page like this. They can also buy with their WhatsApp, and you can see a buy via WhatsApp option is available on the website, and the restaurant name and the details on the product page, like the restaurant information, locations, more products enquiry section. All these sections are available on the product page itself, and a customer can choose a product. Otherwise they can choose the order online section, which you can see most of all the food ordering website. You can see this design, and the customer can choose the products or the food items from this list, and they can just click on add a product. Once the customer click on add products, a pop-up will come, and the customer can add the special note if they want to add, and the customer can select the quantity and add to cart. Once the customer add a product on the cart, they can continue to the checkout. The customer can choose the service type as the pickup or delivery. Customer can choose this pickup or delivery option from the list, and they can choose the date, time, etc. here. Once the customer completed the billing details, they can just click on order. So before ordering, you can see the please remit the payment after the order approval. Once a customer places an order, they will get a WhatsApp notification like this. And this is the vendor dashboard or the restaurant dashboard. When an order places a customer, the restaurants can approve or reject. If they approve, customer will get a email notification like this: your order has been approved and please pay on the link. And if the customer click on pay now option, it will take them to the pay options here. So customer can choose the cash on delivery or the payment option, and they can complete the payment like this using their card, QR code, UPI, etc. here. And customer can click on pay now, and customer can complete the payment, right? So this amount will come to the admin account or our business account, and the customer will also get an WhatsApp notification instantly there, and they can also see on the website itself about the details. Now the customer can click on complete the order. Once they complete the order, they can see, and another option is a menu options. We can add all our food items or food products on our website, so we can categorize and we can design like this. And you can see this is a demo website, so we are not much added products here. So there is an about us page is available. You can add all these things here, and it's super easy, and you can create it out without any programming or technical knowledge. And there is a contact us form is available here. And another important section is my account area. Here customer can or the visitor can log in as a vendor or a customer, and if the vendor or the restaurant owner can register here as a restaurant on our website itself. and they will get a screen like this, and they can complete all these steps, and they can enter the payment details, and customer or the vendor can complete the setup here. And this is the default restaurant dashboard. Here the restaurant owners can manage all their orders, and we also added a delivery driver option on our website. Here you can see all the delivery details and the driver details. Here the driver can access this dashboard for the delivery purpose, right? Now another important section is, this is the restaurant dashboard. The customer can see, the restaurant's owners can see all the details here, their sales, returnings, earnings, and all these details they can see on their dashboard. On the product section, the restaurant owners can see all the products here, and they can also create some new food products or items here. If a restaurant owners just click on add new product, and they can create some products. They can upload the product image, and restaurant owners can add a product name, price, discount price, category, tags, and everything they can configure here. Once they complete all these details, they can just submit for the review, and the admin can review, and they can just make it online, or they can publish the product. The vendor cannot, the restaurant owners cannot submit the product directly. Once the admin approved, they can see the product is online, and the request code section is available on the restaurant dashboard. Coupons section is available. All these sections we can edit, enable or disable according to your business requirement, right? Like the delivery time, reports, and all these things you can just edit according to your requirements. It's super easy. You can just enable or disable it on your admin dashboard area, that I will discuss on the video. And this is the important section. When a customer places an order, the restaurant owners get the amount on the withdraw option section. Now the settings section, the restaurant owners can complete all the basic settings like logo, image, and address and everything. And the payment section, we already added a payment method here for the restaurant owners, like the Razorpay we added, and you can also add some additional payment gateways here. And the restaurant owners can verify their IDs here on the verification section. And the next step is the shipping section. All these sections are very easy to manage, and you can create according to your business ideas, right? Now we can see the mobile view of this website. Actually, we are planning on the next video an Android app for this website. So this is just a mobile responsive website. So on the next video, I will show you how to create an Android app for the same website. So this is the mobile view of our website, and it's completely mobile friendly website, so customer can use it there on their mobile phone. There is no issues. But on the next video, we will use an Android app for this website that is more better than the website. So this is the view of the product page. If a customer click on the menu option, they can see the order online option, and they can just order the products from our website itself. All the features available on the website is available on the mobile version also. Okay guys, now we can go to our video and check how to create this website without any programming or technical knowledge, right? In order to create a website, you need a domain and hosting. Domain means a website name, and hosting means the space for keeping all the files of your website. So you can go to your hostinger and you can buy a hosting. If you have hosting, just leave this section, and if you don't have an hosting, you can buy a hosting plan, and you can choose the premium of hosting from this list. You can see, and just click on add to cart, and you can see when you buy a hosting for 1 year, you will get a domain for free. So you don't need to buy a domain, you will get it for free. So once you complete the payment, you can buy it for free. So if you need to buy a domain alone, then you can go to the domain section and you can search for a new domain name, and if the domain name is available, you can buy it from the hostinger itself. And this also you will get for somewhat 299 rupees, as you are seeing in the video. It will change according to the terms and conditions. Okay, once you've completed that, you will get a dashboard like this on your control panel. Click on website and auto installer. From this section, you can just click on WordPress and you can install WordPress on your website. Once you click on next, and it will start installing the WordPress on your website. So this is the default WordPress website. As you can see, this is the website which we are just installed WordPress. Now go to the dashboard of this website and just click on themes and click on add new, and here you can just install a free theme, Blocksy. It's available on the WordPress dashboard itself, so you can just install that and wait for some time to get installed this theme. Once the theme is installed, just click on activate, and now just scroll down and you can see a plugin for this theme, Blocksy Companion. Just install that plugin, click on installing and activating. Once it's activated, the site will refresh and you can see a starter site section on the plugin dashboard itself. So you can just choose any of these demos. I'm choosing this restaurant demo for my website. You can choose any of these demos and you can customize it. Just select any of the demos and just click on next. Choose the Elementor page builder and click on next and click on install, and wait for some time to get installed, and you can see the demo website here. Okay, now our demo is imported successfully and everything works fine. So you can just go to your plugin dashboard, the WordPress dashboard, and you can just customizing your website. So go to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugin section, and you need to add some plugins. Click on add new, and here you can add the WooCommerce plugin. It's a very important plugin for our website. So just install WooCommerce, and you need some additional plugins also for the multi-vendor website. So just install Docken, and you can see a lot of additional features for the Docken plugin here. If you want, you can just install and check it out. All these are free, and we are using this Docken free plugin. And Docken order approval, this also if you want, you can. So everything is optional, you can just try it yourself. Just click on activate it. And one notifier plugin, this is for the WhatsApp option. Just install that also. Okay, for this time we need these plugins. So now just click on install plugin section and you can activate all these plugins together. Just click on inactive section and select all the plugins and just click on activate and click on apply. Once the plugin is activated, you can see a welcome dashboard of Docken. You can just click on next, let's go, and you can set up your store URL and the shipping fee recipient. All these things you can just enable or disable according to your requirements. If you want to edit the Google Map API key, and we already done a video for that, you can check it out. Now just click on continue, and all this setup you can just choose according to your business model. Okay, these all are optional, and now just click on continue, and you can enable this payment setup later, so just skip this step or just click on continue. And if you want, you can enable or disable these features, and now just click on continue. And friends, our token is already set up. Now just go to WooCommerce and click on settings, and do some basic WooCommerce settings like your billing details. You can choose your country and the selling options and shipping locations. All these things you can just set up. It's super easy. You can change the currency and click on save changes and click on product settings. And if you want, you can change something here and click on shipping and click a shipping zone, and you can click on zone name. You can add some zone name here, and you can choose the locations, and you can choose the shipping method, and you can change the rates, and you can change the method title, etc. here. Click on save changes. Now go to the payment section, and you can enable the cash on delivery, and you can see the WooCommerce order approval already we installed, so it's no need to configure that. Now you can go to the account settings, and you can just change, enable or disable all these options. It's super easy, and you can do according to your requirement, right? This is the email section of our WooCommerce page, and you can just customize it the way you want. Okay, now just click on advanced section and check everything is working correctly. Okay, now go to the token area and just click on dashboard, and you can find all the details of the token here. You can see the vendor, products, etc. here. If you want, you can upgrade to premium. Okay, you can just try the first, you can just try the token, like then you can just upgrade it. Now you can add a vendor, and you can add some banner images, etc. here. You can upload banner images, and you can complete all these details and just click on create vendor. Then the vendor will be created from the admin side, and like this you can, the admin or the vendor or the restaurant owners can come to our website and they can register by themselves. Now once the complete all these details complete, just enable selling publish product directly and just click on create vendor. Like this you can add any vendors, any restaurant owners. Okay guys, now we can just design our website. Go to the edit with Elementor options on any page and just recreate the kit, and you can just click on recreate kit and click on save changes. Now again you can go to the Elementor page builder section, and you can just edit the pages with the Elementor. You can just change the background images, textures, contents, etc. You can change all these images and everything. It's very simple. You can just select on a particular section, and you can just change all these things on the left hand side. You can just simply just click on that section, and you can change the icons, textures, background images, etc. And you can add the links on the sections. If you want, you can just add the links. You can change the basic icons, images, etc. If you want to change any images, just click on a particular section, and you can just click on edit image or edit the textures, and you can change the images from your computer. Right now you can change the textures by just clicking on the particular section, and you can just change that. You can change the background images links, etc. It's super simple. You can just click on update once you make any changes, so that's very important. Then only the changes will be take place on your website. So just click on update once you have done all the changes. And if you want to add a particular section, you can just click on the plus sign and you can just add. And now we can add a store list for the token, so it will display the store lists and or the restaurant list on our website. You can add this shortcode token underscore stores, and you can just drag and change these alignments according to the way you want. You can just change that, and the details I will give on the description box below. You can get it from there. Once you make the changes, click on update, and now you can go to the WordPress website and you can see all these details here, and you can see the newly added section is available. You can just customize it the way you want. Actually this is a demo website, so we are not going to do much more things here. You can just try it yourself, right? Now guys, go to the appearance section and click on menu section, and you can edit all the website menus from the appearance and menu section. You can just change all these menus here. You can add the newly pages here. Click on add to menu, and like this you can add menu, and or if you want to create a new menu, just click on create a new menu and you can create the menu. Now this is the vendor dashboard, and you can see all our textures are not seeing because of this theme. Sometimes it will not show any fonts here, the color problem. So just click on the customize option, and you can see you can change the basic color from here. You can just click on the color section, and you can change the base text here, and the color will be all the color of the theme will be changed here. And now just click on publish. Like this, for this theme only this problem, you for this demo only, so you can just change any other demos if you want. You can just try that. Okay, now we can change all these things by the changing the textures color on the customize option, so it will be fixed. And you can see now I changed the color and everything works fine. And sometimes you can add a new product and you can just check it, everything works. And you can see the vendor or the restaurant owner is adding a product like this, and the categories and the tags should be added by the admin. Then the restaurants can just choose that, and they don't have permission to create a new category. Like this, we can add the status as draft or pending for just review. You can add all these status on the token dashboard itself. Now go to the plugin section, and you can install this food store plugin for food ordering. You can just select this plugin, and now just click on activate and click on skip, and you can do all the basic settings of the food store here. And on this page the customer can see the food store menu, and you can see we already added only one product, that's why. Otherwise you can see a beautiful menu section there. Now on the services option, and you can enable the pickup or delivery services here, and all these options you can just enable or disable, and you can change the labels, and you can change the delivery times as you want. And click on pickup service area and the delivery service area. All these things you can just enable or disable. Now click on save changes once you make any changes. Now just click on layout styling. Here you can change the basic section, number of columns, and hide button card, etc. here. Also you can change the colors on the customize section. Okay guys, now we completed the food store plugin. Now the local delivery drivers for WooCommerce. These plugins are optional. You can just try it, and it's a free plugins, so you can just try it that. Now the plugin is installed. Now one click chat to order. This is for the WhatsApp. The customers can order the products through WhatsApp, so you can just enable this plugin, and all these plugins available on the plugin directory itself. Now you can add the numbers for the plugin. You can add the WhatsApp number, add a WhatsApp number with the country code, and click on publish. Like this, the basic options you can change the basic URL, phone number, and the color. Everything you can be changed from this plugin dashboard settings. You can change the text translations here. Once you make, just click on save changes. The background colors you can change here. Okay. Now just go to the local delivery plugin settings and activate it, and click on add new driver as you are seeing in the video, and you can add the drivers from here. Now you can upload the premium plugin of Docken Pro. You can get it from their website, and you can just try it. If you want additional features of Docken, and you can just try it, activate the plugin, and you can see a lot of features available now. Now just click on settings, and you can just change all these settings. You can change the basic colors, and lot of options available. So once you try the free plugin, you can just go for the pro. Okay, you can just enable the Razor Pay option from here, which means the your restaurant partners will get the payments through Razor Pay automatically. So this option is available on the pro plugin. So we can go to the Razor Pay option, and you can just enable that. Also the restaurant can create the tags and the product settings options you can be managed from here, and lot of modules are available on the pro plugin. So everything you can check it here. Hide the customer info and everything, and the withdraw option is very important. So now just go to the withdraw options. You can see the custom options. If you want, you can just use the custom options, or and if you want any other methods, you can choose that. Now go to the WooCommerce, reverse withdrawal, page settings. All the page settings can be done here. Appearance, basic changes of colors, and the store templates, etc. Live search options is available. Store support, seller verification, email verification. All these options you can enable or disable on your website. Now just click on modules, and you can see all modules here, and you can enable or disable all the modules. Now just go to the WooCommerce, click on settings, and here go to the payment section, and here you can see the Docken Razor Pay. You can just enable that. for automatic payouts and the pay-ins, etc. We are using for a demo website, so just click on sandbox. Otherwise you can leave it as yourself. Now go to the RazorPay dashboard and copy your test key secret and key live and everything. And displacement mode, just immediate or delayed or whatever things you want, you can just choose that option from the list. And just make sure enable on the root on your RazorPay dashboard, then only this facility will work. Once you are done that, go to the withdraw options and enable token RazorPay and click on save changes. Now on the restaurant dashboard you can see the payment option, RazorPay, and the vendor or the restaurants can just click on sign up and they can complete all these details. Otherwise they have an account already on RazorPay, they can just click on that and they can paste their account ID there and just click on connect account and it will be connected. Okay guys, now we can install WordPress WooCommerce WhatsApp notification on our website. We already done a video that I am just including that, you can watch that also. Now just go to the developers.facebook.com and just create an app there, and you can see here, choose the business option here and click on next. And once the app, you can give an app name and the contact email, etc. here. And now just click on create app and now you will get a dashboard like this. Now choose the WhatsApp option from here, click on setup. Once the WhatsApp option is, click on setup and you can see a WhatsApp window here and just click on next. And wait for some time to create a business account for your app. Okay, now you can see a window like this. Here you can add a mobile number to test. Just add your WhatsApp number here and you can just check it, is everything working fine. You can add your number and you can see a message, send message and successfully send message. Now there is no errors, you can start customizing it. So now just go to this website whatnotifier.com and create an account there. Just create a free account and here you can add the username, first name, and you can completely fill all these details and you can verify the email address on your email. Once the verification completed, it will take you to another window. You can just click on I understand and accept option, and here you can just copy the access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business ID from your Facebook dashboard. Just copy the access token and phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID, which you can see here. Just copy all these things here and paste and save and validate. Okay guys, now you can just send a test message here also. Now the test message is sent successfully and everything works fine. So now you go to the Facebook dashboard and you can just make your app live. Before that you have to add your privacy policy URL and terms of service, etc. there. Once your app is live, you can go to the WhatsApp again as you are seeing in the video. Now just click on getting started and you can go to there and you can add your phone number there. Okay guys, now just add your phone number, because your business WhatsApp number here. Just add the business name, your business email, etc. here, and you can add your mobile number here. So make sure your WhatsApp business number here, just add. If I recommend try a new number, otherwise sometime it will get some problems. So you can just get a new number and you can use it for your business. You can add a number. Okay, once you add that, just click on configure webhooks, click on there, and here you can add your webhooks, etc. Just click on edit, and the callback URL you will get your from your one notifier dashboard itself. You can just copy that and paste this, and you can verify for your website. Once you paste that, verify and save. Okay guys, now we have verified our webhook. Now you can click on the data field option and make sure to subscribe all these things like security, phone number, quality update, and just subscribe all these things and click on done. Once you have done that, you can create a permanent token to leave the text message. Now go to the WhatsApp manager section and click on business settings. And here you can see the system users. Just add a system user. You can add any name there. You can add some system username. You can add any name. Just add the name and just give the user role as admin, and next, and done. Now you can add the asset option. Just click on add assets and go to the app section. Here you can see the app you created. Just select that and give the permission for manage app full control. Now just click on save changes. Okay, click on done. Now you can generate a new token. Click on new generate new token. Here select the app and you can select the WhatsApp business management and the WhatsApp business messaging. These two options make sure selected and click on generate token. And now your token is generated. Just copy that and paste it on your one notifier option. Just refresh it because we are using on the test mode. If you are using your own mobile number, you can just paste it there. When you refresh it, it is already connected and it saved successfully. Okay, our WhatsApp notifier dashboard is connected with our cloud API now. So you need to verify it when you are using for your website. So you can see on your dashboard itself, you can just click on this link and you can just verify your WhatsApp business and everything on the Facebook dashboard itself. Okay, now go to the message template section and you can create some templates for your WooCommerce order notifications. So first you need to get approved from the Facebook. So just click on add new and you can add a template name there. You can give a template name. Don't give any space. You can use the underscore instead of space. So order received, you can add any template name there and make sure the transactional on the category section. Here you can use the text or media for the header type, and the header text you can add that. Once you done that, you can add a body content. You can just copy and paste, or you can add your own contents there. Just add your contents, and for this template we are not using any variable textures, and you can use the buttons. Call to action or quick reply buttons are available, so you can use that here. You can choose the number of buttons, and you can add a button text and your website URL here. I'm just adding my website name here. You can add your own website name. Once you are done that, just submit for approval. Click on submit for approval. Okay, now our template is submitted successfully for WhatsApp approval. Now you can refresh here and you can see whether it is approved or not. So before that you need to verify your account. Okay, now you can add another template for order confirmation for the customer. You can create a order confirmation template here. You can just use the transactional category. Instead of text, I am using media, and you can add an image for the customer, and you can add some body textures here. So you can add the variables here. So dear, if you are giving the customer name there, you can add a variable name. So you can just click on that plus icon on the right hand side as you are seeing in the video. You can add there, and you can just add the variable options there. So you can change into 2. I'm just copying and pasting. Otherwise you can just click on, you can add on that plus sign there, and you can just add any variables. Just add that. If you need any assistance, you can just contact us on Facebook, so we will help you to create this. Once you done that, you can just complete this body content. Like this you can create any contents for the WhatsApp order notification, like for refund options or for the when the shipping is completed and everything. Okay, now you need to add the sample text for variables. You can add the first variable as customer name. The second order ID is we are using for the order ID, and the order subtotal, total amount, area, and the fourth variable we are using order status. This you can add your own variables here. And now you can just add call to action or quick reply options here. This all depend upon your requirement. Okay, you can add the button textures here. You can add a website URL. You can add your my account area page. You can add your my account page, or whatever web page you need, you can add there. And now just click on submit for approval. And click on OK. And once the template is approved, you can start sending messages. And now go to your WordPress dashboard, and this is the website which we are going to install this WhatsApp notification. So now just come to the dashboard and come to the plugin section and click on add new, and you can get this plugin from the WordPress directory itself, and If you are not finding it, I will give on the description box below. It's free plugin. You will get it from WhatsApp directory, the WordPress directory. You will get, just upload and activate the plugin. Now you can see the one notifier option on the left hand side. Just click on there and you can get an API key. You can see the link for that settings API as you are seeing on the video. Just click on that link and you will get the API key here. Now just copy this API key, copy the API key and paste it on your website and submit and validate. Okay guys, now our website is added the API key. Now come to the trigger section. Here you can get the triggers for your WooCommerce notification. So you can add some trigger name here. So when a customer places an order website, the admin will get the order notification. So we are just adding WooCommerce order received, and you can add the trigger here, new order placed, and you can select all these data fields. If you are using for the variables, you can select it from here and select the recipient fields, etc., and click on save, and you can enable this. And WooCommerce order notification, WooCommerce order received for admin, I'm just adding for the reference. Now just click on enable and you can update it. Like this, you can just add all the triggers. You can just click on add new, click on add new, and the order confirmation for the customer. This is for the customers. So you can select the order status changes to processing. When an order arrives at this, you can use all these data fields and select all these data fields and click on publish, and make sure to enable this, and you can enable and update it. Then you can also create a trigger for refund. Like this, you can create all the triggers for all the WooCommerce order updates. I'm just doing for the demo website, so you can try all the methods. Okay, now just copy order refund and you can select the trigger, and you can select all the data fields, recipient field, and click on save, and you can enable it and update. Okay, now we can go to the one notification dashboard, where notifier dashboard, and click on notification area as you are seeing in the video, notifications, and click on add new. You can select the add new option here, and you can give a title. You can just copy the title from the trigger area of our website. So just select and copy. This is for the admin, so we are just copying that and paste it there, and select the transactional notification type, and you can see our WooCommerce triggers are already updated on the one notifier website, so you can select that. And for the recipient option, you can add the admin details here. Instead of WooCommerce, select the contact and you can add the admin mobile number or WhatsApp number there. Just go to the contacts option and you can just add the admin WhatsApp number just click on add new, and you can add the WhatsApp number of the admin, right? When you add, make sure to add with the country code, right? Now just add everything here, and the message template, just once you got approved, you can use on here. So you can choose the message template here, any template you can use here. So we just created for the admin one as the order received, and now just click on save, and you can add all these templates and notifications like this. Now you can create another notification. Click on add new, give a title, order confirmation, and the transactional option here, order status changes to processing, and you can choose the template. This template we are using for the customers. And now you can see the variable values here. The first variable value we can use for the customer name, so you can choose the billing first name here, and the second option is order ID. You can select the order ID from this list, and the third one we are using the subtotal. You can see the order subtotal here, and the fourth one order status, you can see here. And once you select everything, just click on save, and now you can, like this, you can choose the refund, you can choose the trigger here. Like this you can create all the notifications for our WooCommerce website. Okay guys, now all our methods are completed. If you have any doubt, if you need any assistance, you can contact us on Facebook. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.